Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can make your photo look better only with PicsArt. So you don't need to use any effects. You can just adjusting your pictures color intensity by do the color or color grade or color grading on the PicsArt application. So first you just need to open the PicsArt application. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into the picture that you want to edit, and I already got this. So this picture is a raw picture that I take with my iPhone camera, and you can see that this picture is less engaging, and let's make it looks better by do the color grade. Just tap in this tool and then just go click adjust, and there will be like a lot of sections that you can adjust related to the picture. The next, you just need to tap into the brightness. The brightness here is about adding and reducing the light on the picture. If you're willing to have a bright picture, you just need to drag this point into the right side, and you will see that a lot of light coming up into the picture. But then if you want to reduce the light, you just need to drag it into the left side, and you can get less light on the picture. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into the contrast, and here is really important sections that you need to concentrate to, because the contrast here can decide or affecting the picture. It could be if you want to increasing the contrast, you just need to like drag it into the right side. Again, the level of the section it could be different. It depends to the raw picture that you get, so you can just adjusting the level depending to what you need. The next, I will like directly jump into the saturation, and the saturation here is about make this picture become more warm or cool. If you want to get a warm picture, drag it into the right side, and there will be like a yellow orange color being popping up and more intense. But then if you want to make it cool, you just need to drag it into the left side, but then the picture will be reducing the intensity of each color on the picture. You'll see that it looks more pale on it. I want to add some more warmth, so I want to add like 10 level. And the next, I would like to jump into the shadow. This is also important because it can make your picture looks like HD. So if you want to get the shadow, just drag the point into the left side, and you'll see the shadow is being added into the picture, and you can see the difference later on. I would like to add like -50. The next, I will let you go into the temperature. It's just like similar with the saturation. It's about making the picture become more warm or cool. If you want to get the warm, just drag it into the right side so that there will be like orange color popping up. But then if you want to make it like cool tone, you just need to drag it into the left side, and there will be more dark or green blue color is more intense rather than the orange. But today I want to make it more warm, so I will like to add into the 10 level. And whenever you're done, you just need to go tap apply, and let's see the before and after. This is the before color grade, and this is after the color grade. You can see that the picture is much more engaging. That's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.